Hello guys, good morning. This song is dedicated to you guys. Shout out sa mga friends nandyan, sa mga family natin. Ang title ng song to is HonesTY. If you search for tenderness, isn't hard to find. You can have the love you need to live. But if you look into boldness, might just as well be blind. It always seems to be so hard to get. Honesty, such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue. Honesty is hardly ever heard, and mostly what I need from you. I can always find someone to say they'll sympathize if I wear a heart out of my sleeve. But I don't want simple ways to tell me a pretty lies. All I want is someone to believe. Honesty is such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue. Thank you guys.